as a digital marketer in General Technologies Private Limited. In this video, I am going to explain the last certification from Google Ads Manager, that is optimizing Ad Manager to marketing objectives. The certification helps to optimize the ad manager settings and marketing settings to make sure that the ad formats are suitable for marketing objectives or not. After completion of these objectives, you will be able to understand the usage of ads manager to achieve your goals very in a very good manner. Let's dive into this topic. Engage with programmatic guaranteed. As the industry has been shifting from traditional reservations to programmatic sales, partners are able to sell direct inventory on a guaranteed basis programmatically through programmatic guaranteed deals in Google Ad Manager. A programmatic, it is used in a variety of contexts in the online advertising world. In Google Ad Manager, it is important to understand the differences between programmatic direct and programmatic guaranteed. There are some deal types we need to look into them. They are categorized as unreserved and reserved. So those are in unreserved category, there are preferred deal, private auction, and open auction. For reserved, programmatic, guaranteed, and traditional review. So a preferred deal is a thing that lies between two persons. If I am the advertiser and you are the creator of an ad, we both make a deal that is called as a preferred deal. There is no involvement of a third party. In private auction, it calls for the bidders who wants to place their ads at the top of the position. It calls to the particular persons who are eligible and who are eligible for this bidding. So it calls some particular persons only. In open auction, the auction is open to each and everyone. So who are interested in bidding for the keywords, they will participate in the auction and get their ad placed on the top. In a programmatic guaranteed, there will be a deal between the auctioneer Google and the advertiser. The deal comprises of placing their ad at the top of a period of time. In traditional reservations, there it is also related to programmatic guaranteed, and here there are some rules and regulations that should be followed by the advertiser, that is given by the Google. If any of the rules have been breaked by the advertiser, the agreement should be cancelled at any time by the Google itself. Starting the programmatic guarantee negotiation process. Discover how programmatic guaranteed proposals and negotiations fit into your toolkit. Start a programmatic guaranteed proposal, add proposal line items, request acceptance, or ask for a review. uh, as you all know that my Google Ads Manager account has been reviewing by Google. After completion of review, I will upload a separate video how we will use Ad Manager to create certain ad tabs and ad types, and how to edit our bid strategies, and how this Google Ad Manager data will help our ads to run more frequently, and get more number of customers to our website. Managing creatives in programmatic guaranteed deals. Buyer hosted creatives, it is the default ad type that we will get from Ad Manager 360. For the majority of programmatic guaranteed deals, creatives are hosted by buyer in display and Ad 360 or other demanded side platforms. They are not hosted or managed in Ad Manager. Buyer hosted creatives makes creative management easier for both you and the buyer. Ad Manager uses placeholder creatives and targeted ad units to request creatives from the DSP. Uh, it works on the process as follows: proposal, order, and delivery. Publisher managed creatives. There are a few cases that might require you to host the creatives. These cases include occasions when you need to sell custom formats and use existing ad manager creative management tools. Have more control over the creatives that serve on your site. Make sure creatives fall under the same policy as direct reservations. These are creative types and creative formats. You can go through all these custom creatives, custom native formats, standard creative templates, custom creative templates, custom native video creatives, setup box creatives, and these are the creative types, and the left and the right side are the creative formats. Negotiate programmatic deals, withdraw your request for acceptance. You as the publisher can retract a proposal before the buyer accept. If you set an proposal to the buyer by creating the um, by creating the ad format, if there is any complication with the ad format, you can retract the proposal before it was accepted by the buyer. So you can change the ad format, and again you can send the proposal to the buyer for approval. Change a finalized proposal. You also have the position. You also have the option to change finalized proposal. Some of these changes can simply be pushed to delivery, while others trigger renegotiation. To make changes, you need to reopen a finalized proposal. After sending the proposal to buyer, and the buyer has finalized the proposal, even that also you can renegotiate if there are any necessary changes to be done to that ad format. Negotiable versus non-negotiable changes. Some changes negotiable will trigger a renegotiation with the buyer, while others non-negotiable will immediately update an order or line item. These are the negotiation and non-negotiable changes. So negotiable changes are a need will automatically renegotiate themselves, while the non-negotiable will update immediately. Pause and resume programmatic proposals. You or the buyer can pause and resume programmatic proposals at any time when the entire party pauses. All corresponding ad manager line items line items stop delivery immediately. Pausing should be used temporarily to address any issues. A failure to resume quickly can affect the ability of a deal or deliver. You can find the pause and resume options by looking under the more actions menu inside of the proposal. I will explain I will explain this in detail once my ad manager account will get verified by the Google, so that you can get more information from that video. How buyers conduct programmatic guaranteed deals. How buyers initiate the deal making process. Buyer initiated proposals result from a buyer finding your profile and inventory in the marketplace. Buyers can initiate a request for proposal RFP for inventory they find interesting. This RFP will include email addresses of anyone they want to include in this negotiation, a proposed budget, guaranteed inventory type, and it will specify which advertisers they would like this deal negotiation for. How to find RFPs. RFPs can be found in the proposal section of Ad Manager. After logging into your Ad Manager account, navigate to proposal section by selecting sales and then proposals from the side menu. Select the action required tab, locate items below. I will show this in my demo video after my Ads Manager account verified by Google. Navigating an RFP. After clicking on the action required thing, you will redirected into this RFP information card, and you can select to edit to update proposal settings and add proposal line items. Audience targeting in RFP. If the buyer includes audience targeting in its RFP, the RFP information card displays yes under the audition list. In this red circle, you can see audience target. You can see it marked as S. Every proposal line item added to a proposal automatically includes the buyer audience list. submitting the proposal to the buyer. After verifying all the details from top to bottom, you can submit the proposal of the ad format to the buyer, to the buyer to for his acceptance. After the buyer accepts the proposal, the ad will go into live. If there are any changes, you need to make the changes before the buyer accepts the proposal you have sent. There are several ways to get notification for programmatic events like RFPs or ad manager settings, deal settings, and publisher profiles. These all are can be explained once my ads manager account has been verified by Google. Ad manager settings in the upper right hand, after getting into the ad manager account, on the top right corner, you will see some three dot format and a bell icon and a question mark and a profile thing. So in that three dotted, after clicking on the three dotted section, now you will get a settings and learn on a skill shop. After clicking on the settings, enable system notifications and set a frequency, at which frequency the ad will deliver to your customer. Deal settings, under the sales tab, you will have the deal settings, and the deal settings, you can add email addresses in the notification field. From the deal settings, you can add a new profile or open existing profile in the contact for programmatic deals field. You can add email addresses, names, and phone numbers, etc., to make a more number of profiles, for your more number of publisher profiles. After completion of all these modules, in optimize Google Ad Manager to meet objectives certification, you'll able to get the certification exam. After qualifying this certification exam, you will be able to get to know about the Ad Manager 360, and how you can manage to edit the ad formats before it going to the buyer proposal. Thank you for watching this video.